Unified Service Desk for Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement provides a configurable framework for quickly building experiences for contact center so that agents can get a unified view of the customer data stored in Dynamics 365 and line of business applications. Continuing our goal towards bringing the best and the brightest of Dynamics 365 experiences to our customers, we have released the Unified Service Desk version 3.3. We have made the offering more robust, compliant and up-to-date with the advances in Dynamics 365 platform. This release, we have worked on some major features like support for unified interface apps in Unified Service Desk, a best practice analyzer, Unified Service Desk improvement program, GDPR compliance, and making the experiences more and more intuitive and error-free for our users. With the release of Dynamics 365 Online version 9.0, we have introduced a new user experience called Unified Interface, which uses responsive web design principles to provide an optimal viewing and interaction experience for any screen size, device, or orientation. This means the unified interface brings all the rich experiences to any client that you are using. Whether you are on a browser, tablet, or phone, you will be able to consume similar experiences across all the devices. Unified Service Desk supports the apps built using Unified Interface Framework. That is, you can host a Unified Interface page to load a URL or a page from Dynamics 365 apps, which is built based on the Unified Interface Framework. The experience of supportability is that the new hosted control type called Unified Interface Page is introduced. This hosted control type exposes a number of predefined UII actions and events that are unique to handling of Dynamics 365 apps built using this framework. Unified Interface is different from the legacy web client experience for Dynamics 365 not only in terms of look and feel but also at an infrastructure level. We have defined the paradigms needed to integrate the Dynamics 365 forms and grids and dashboard into Unified Service Desk. Also, the whole look and feel of the Unified Service Desk has been refreshed for homogeneous experience. As of now, this is a preview feature which partners and customers can use to test the Unified Service Desk 3.3 with Unified Interface. Best Practice Analyzer is a developer tool that helps identify deployment and configuration issues in Unified Service Desk environments. Effectively running this tool will help you identify deviation from the recommended configuration and will help find the potential issues beforehand. The guidelines are classified into three categories: system configurations like machine memory, disk space, etc. Internet Explorer settings, which includes the requisite settings for best IE process memory management and cleanups, and Unified Service Desk configurations, which lets you know potential areas where solutions are getting overtly complex or are using some non-recommended configurations. Consider these guidelines as our recommended way to use Unified Service Desk and serve your customers. Improvement program data lets Unified Service Desk to send application-specific information like product uses, health, and performance data to Microsoft. At Microsoft, we use the information that we collect from the program to analyze and improve the service and product experience for our customers. From the version 3.3, the improvement program is by default enabled for our deployments against Dynamics CRM online instances. In addition to that, we have also built a feedback mechanism which you can integrate in your solution, which allows agents to provide feedback directly to Microsoft. Fundamentally, the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, is about protecting and enabling the privacy rights of individuals. The GDPR establishes strict privacy requirements that govern how you manage and protect data regardless of where the data is sent, processed, or stored. Unified Service Desk as a product is an on-premise product, and the types of data that we collect are audit logs, using which you can track changes, diagnostic log files, which are stored locally on agent desktop for diagnostic purposes, and telemetry data, which we collect to improve our product. In this release, we have also established the guidelines for GDPR compliance for Unified Service Desk customers. Apart from these, building a robust and performant experience for our agents is our long-arcing goal. There are several improvements in terms of overall reliability of Unified Service Desk, particularly around the management of Internet Explorer processes and the immersive recovery experience when an Internet Explorer process encounters a fault. With all these great features and new capabilities, we are encouraging you, our customers and partners, to validate our preview features and deploy the new features in the environments and plan for an upgrade.